But anyhow, let me share a wife joke and we'll conclude, inshallah. I know they criticize me for only sharing wives' jokes, but I gotta share a wives' joke because I told you already, bi'idhnillah, that the majority of people in the world are ladies. So we have no choice but to make jokes on ladies. So there was this couple who had their wedding anniversary. In the morning, the husband was going to work, and the wife said, "You forgot what today is? You forgot what today is? You forgot what today is?" Poor guy couldn't remember. It was the anniversary. She said, "But anyhow, today's our anniversary. And hear what? I need you to put a machine in that driveway, a machine on that driveway for my birthday, for this anniversary. And when I step on that machine, from 0, it should be going 200 miles. The husband was a clever guy. He wasn't like most of us. He went, he bought a machine, get it well wrapped, had it delivered on the driveway. When the wife went, he didn't come home though. He's very scared to come home. Scared to come home. At least he was smart to be scared. When the wife went and opened this big box, she found a little scale that you weigh yourself on. Because he knew when she went on that scale, from 0 it will go to 200 pounds. Nah, the thing's not what you get. So he thought that was very beneficial for her. That's the machine that she needs. As she steps on it, it goes to 200 pounds. He wanted to tell her, you work under weight. But anyhow, the guy never came back home because he knew he'd have been dead meat.